What is up, Lowheat sneakerheads? I would consider this high heat today for thank you to all you watching, guys and 1.6% ladies and everyone in between. Basically, I looked at my channel analytics and virtually everyone who watches doesn't subscribe. So if you guys could change that statistic, that would be great. And subscribe. All right. And now that I got through all that stuff, I'm going to give these their due. These are worth a grand unveiling, as you know from the title what these are. All right. Let's do that and then I'll start talking more. Oh, sheesh. Look at this. Look at this packaging. Look at this packaging. Look at this packaging. That is some premium packaging right there. They do this on some shoes. Not too many nowadays, though. This outer layer slipcase for the sneaker box. That's some fancy shit right there. Ooh. Got the static. Got the static from the slip-off plastic. Okay. Look at this box here. All right. Today, we have the women's Air Jordan 3 Retro. SP, I think, is for special edition. These retail for $200. And I got these in 13.5 women's, and that's size 12 men's. All right. But the most important thing, before I open this, I was able to cop these first come, first serve off the A Ma Maniere drop a week ago. Shouts to them for some bot protection, serious bot protection. It's them. They do it right. A Ma Maniere did it right. Union does it right. Concepts does it right. Everyone else, they need to get their shit together. It's a simple thing too. All those companies have in common what they pay for from whatever bot service protection service they pay for their website. It's a simple thing they all have in common. It's entering a simple line of text, and that screws everything up. I think my thoughts on these, really quick before I open these up, my thoughts on this is that each of those sites are shut down beforehand and you need a password to get in. Then they're opened up on the release time. And to go to the purchase page, you have to enter in a word. I think that word is essentially a password to the site, to the next portion of the site. So you're essentially entering a password to continue, and it's just really easy, but the bots can't figure out the password. The password security is good enough they can't figure out the code, and just us dumb humans can obviously read what the word is. And I don't know why more companies don't do that. I don't know if it costs a ton of money, but everyone else, take note. Those three companies do it right. All right, here we go. Shut up about that. Look at these. Look. Some premium paper there. Some premium tissue paper. Love it. Let's bring this right up to the camera. There's many other review sites. So many other review sites on YouTube. I try to bring you the experiential. You get to open these with me, pretend you're the viewer. What's the word I'm searching for? Live vicariously through me. So that's what I'm trying to bring you here that's different than others. I can smell, all of you who've copped Jordans before, brand new, real Jordans, not fake Jordans, that smell of like glue and brand new rubber, that is potent here. That leather and glue smell. Potent. I wish you could smell it through the camera. It's not a great smell, but you know you're getting a brand new shoe with that smell. All right, let's really take this in. Sometimes I skip over details because like some of these videos where everyone lists every single thing I find boring, and then at the same time I think you people like that. So, I'm torn. I'm torn with pointing out every little, this has 1 million bumps on it, and this, whatever. But sometimes I gloss over it too much. So you got the hang tag here, the A Ma Maniere store hang tag. For those of you who don't know, it's a retail shop that kind of blends like food high-end food with retail, and they have 3 stores in Houston, Atlanta, and Washington, D.C. I didn't know all this stuff, but this goes to the hypebeast culture. I don't typically don't like to pat myself on the shoulder, on the back, but I do my research into what I'm spending $200 on and making a video of, and I think you guys should too. If you're going to call this hype and like it and wear it, show it off, be proud of it, I think you should know a little bit about it. So, anyways, this was designed by James Whitner of A Ma Maniere, and that group wasn't just him, but his team and the Jordan brand team. And yeah, so this is a collaboration with that retail shop, and this is what everyone would say is, this, becomes cliche to use the word clean. I think it gets used too often, but this, I think, is the appropriate time where we can use that word. These are clean. I feel like I hate using that because I think it's overused, but these are clean AF. And I'm not a huge, that's the thing. That's what makes these great, is I'm not a huge Jordan 3 guy. They're a little too subtle for me. I'm kind of a flashier guy, a little too toned down, a little bit like you could just get these like back in the day at Payless knockoffs. But these, and I'll point out for various reasons why here in a second, go into some of the details. These are next level clean, and these I mess with. Now, first of all, things that set it apart is obviously it's just a simple colorway, but this nice cream midsole combined with this like taupe heel midsole, that's great. This cream heel tab, Nike Air on the heel tab is great. And then I love this stitched woven sock liner. It's kind of like satiny. That is amazing. Combined with these suede hits. Just all of that blended together. These cream colored laces, I think I'm going to swap these in maybe immediately. I love those. I think I'm going to do it. Also, this yellowed midsole, let me know in the comments. My first ask for you to comment on something. Is this getting outplayed, this like vintage look? I think in a year or so, no one will be doing it because now, for 2 years straight, we've been doing this. But I do like it here. Here it gives it a little vintage vibe, but it's not just like hit you over the head with it. It's more just about actually the color palette, I feel. Matches the eyelets here and the laces. I think I'm going with these. Which laces do you guys like? The white? Just keep it white and clean, or go classic? The classic look. I like these. And here's another little detail that I love about these. The aglets, if you didn't know what these were called, this little tips on the laces, the caps are aglets, and it has work harder. I think that's dope. There is a great interview, Complex, Matt Welty did with James Whitner. I encourage you to go check that out. It's a really good interview about the shoe and the company and everything, what went into making these. And there's a good little story behind the aglets. And James Whitner tells a great story. This is a women's shoe. And he points out, Black men have it hard in this country, and who has it even harder? Black women. So this is kind of some paying homage to them, and that they always have to work the hardest out of everyone to catch up. And I think that this, the theme work harder applies applicable to everyone, but I especially like the little tidbit there. On these heel tabs, again, everyone's seen these unboxing videos right by now, but I'll just show you guys too. You have to go to get comfortable walking alone on that one, and on this one, all you have is each other. Kind of opposite messages, but both truthful. So yeah, you got the Jordan Jumpman in the insole there, and then on this other one you have the A Ma Maniere branding logo right there. So yeah, I think these are the definition of clean. I like kind of the inside of this leather here, this tumbled leather. Very premium, very luxurious. And again, I'm not an Air Jordan 3 guy, but what I'm wearing right now, I love. These are my favorite Air Jordan 3s. These are the Tinker Air Jordan 3s. I think these are and were so slept on. People can say they are bricks, but I highly recommend, if you want a pair of Air Jordan 3s, the Tinker Air Jordan 3s that combine kind of his two signature shoes, the Air Max 1 and the Air Jordan 3. I know some people are off hybrids, but this one's subtly done. Like, it doesn't have, I can't show you. Well, actually, I'm going to try this on really quick. I'm going to try this on really quick and I can show you that. But these are, I think you can get them under retail still. For a while, you could get them super cheap on the retailers that hold them. They went on sale, these bricked. I was thinking about doubling up, tripling up. It's just I have so many shoes. I didn't want to buy more shoes. But I think on the secondary market, you could still get these either for retail or maybe even under retail, depending on your size. Highly recommend these shoes. I don't know why I'm saying that, but it's not like I'm going to move the market. And yeah, people don't like that maybe they're a hybrid, but like if you keep the white swoosh, which I like, it's a subtle swoosh. They came with other swooshes you could swap in, but I just like the subtle white version, raised white version here. And then you have basically your classic Jordan 3 with a little new twist. I love the colors, love red and white. Looks like an Air Max 1 color blocking, but on an Air Jordan 3 silhouette. Anyways, this shoe's fire. I wish I would have tripled up when they were dirt cheap. Now I could still buy another pair, but like, these are my Air Jordan 3. And I don't care that they're not true Air Jordan 3s. That's my only other one. And unless it's something fire like this, it's just not my shoe. But in this instance, I'll make an exception. What else I got here? So, anyways, back to the bot protection. I do not know why more retailers don't do that, but I was super stoked to hit these first come, first serve for retail. If you like my videos, why don't you go give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. That would be appreciated. I have some more fire videos coming. I have the Air Jordan 6s, Travis Scott 6s coming soon. I'll be opening those. Hit those on, the lady hit those on the sneakers draw somehow. Crazy. I got the Rust Jordans, the patinas coming in. I hit those on a sneaker draw, my first sneaker draw ever. And then what else I got? I got the Stingwater SB Friends and Family box, not the shoes, the box that they sold on their website coming. So make sure your notifications are on. Follow me, subscribe for those. Sheesh. Look at these. These fit like a glove. These are perfect. Perfect sizing on these. If you want to know sizing on Jordans, generally go true to size. With these, the leather is more premium thick. It's a little stiffer, so you could, if you like roomier, go half size up. So for me, in my case, this is a half size up, and these fit great. But you could go true to size. Jordans are more of life size shoe. If you like a snug fit, you could even go half size down. But that's my recommendation. I think I'm going to wear these right away. These have fallen in resale value a little bit over the past week. So they're not cheap by any means, but they're not crazy. They're not like Union or Off-White prices. So I'm not going to say you should spend $400, $500, $600 on a pair of shoes, but these aren't crazy. I'm glad I got them for retail. I'm going to have... What's sweet about these, because they're not crazy expensive, I'm not going to feel bad wearing these at all. I'm going to rock these first chance I get for some occasion. Note on the socks, I don't know if black's it. I did not purposely try to wear socks that would go with these. I don't know if black is the move here. I would go something a little bit more earth tony. It would be my thing. I would not go red socks or bright colors. Definitely earth tones or white. A clean pair of white socks would work. But yeah, please subscribe and hope you like the video.